Hey. Hmm. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you?
वालेकुम सलाम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सर आप सुनाएं।
Hmm. Ji, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I hope that you all are enjoying Ramadan, the ending of Ramadan, the last Ashra of Ramadan Kareem. मज़े ले रहे होंगे.
Yes, sir.
जी सर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
और सबसे बड़ा मज़ा जो है, you all are at your own home, at the mother destination.
यस सर।
Okay, ji, let's start our module 1, and we will have inshallah two 40-minute sessions in which we will discuss two modules, right? और इनकी recording जो है वो inshallah will be available, and I will share the link. So let me recap what we were discussing. In the first module, we were discussing introduction to financial markets, and in financial market we have to decide if we have savings, where we prefer to invest our savings, right? Have we saved the outcome of our salaries or the income for the sake of future consumption or for the sake of the investment? Because investment will bring return for you. So we are here to learn some tactics regarding the financial markets and their securities. As you know that financial markets provide the platform for the investment. And how can you invest? You need to save somewhat out of your earning, out of your uh, income. So you will save and then you will invest somewhere with the help of the financial institutions. I think here comes the financial market, not financial instruments. This is a typical fund flow for the banking system, rather. So they borrow from the household and then they lend to the businesses. From financial markets, we have savings and we want to invest that saving, and then financial market helps you to provide you various platforms, various securities to invest in, and this investment will increase the growth of your motherland. So financial markets provide they are the source of mobilizing the savings. They motivate you to save this your earnings. They allocate capital efficiently. You can allocate your capital on various platform using the financial market, and encouraging investments. They encourage investments to bring return for you. Meanwhile, you have to face the risk. Financial markets say you can also manage your risk. You can diversify your risk. Uh, they are the source of improving the corporate governance, because it's a matter of finance, it's a matter of finance funds, it's a matter of the stakeholders interest protection. So for the protection of the stakeholders, we need to have a corporate governance, a governance system which protect the stakeholders. So we have various platforms around the globe. Then functions of the financial market. They are the source of capital formations. Corporations listed in these markets can raise funds for their financial needs. Liquidity, the financial markets are the source of liquidity. They can easily convert your investment into cash. So if you invest in these markets, you can convert whenever you want uh, into the cash, and you can fulfill your need. Financial markets are the source of price discovery. They determine the price of various securities with the help of the demand and supply of that security, of the financial assets. And risk transfer. Financial markets are the sources of the risk transfer. You can transfer your risk from one person, from one source to another source, using the diversification strategies, using various securities available in the financial markets. We have already studied financial markets comprising of the money market, which provide the source of opportunities for a short period of time. If you are interested to invest for 1 year, तो 1 साल के लिए आपको देखना है आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज ये हैं which deals in 1 year investment opportunities. Treasury bills, commercial papers, certificate of deposits, lease purchase agreements. Then capital markets, they deals in the long-term markets, long-term funds, long-term investments, which are held for the more than 1 year. For example, stocks have no life. इनकी कोई एक्सपायरी नहीं होती स्टॉक्स की, जब तक कंपनी है तब तक स्टॉक चलेगा. कॉर्पोरेट बॉन्ड्स, stocks, corporate bonds, government bonds, Cook or the Islamic bonds. So you all have this kind of opportunity. Primary market. If you are interested to buy new securities, new shares, so you have to contact primary market. In primary market, new securities are dealt. New securities are issued by the companies in the form of initial public offering, in the form of right shares, in the form of private placements. इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग जो है वो वेरियस कंपनीज अपने नए शेयर्स इशू करती रहती हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू वॉक इन और स्टार्ट योर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन शेयर्स इन स्टॉक मार्केट, तो किसी भी कंपनी का जब आईपीओ इशू हो तो उस आईपीओ को ख़रीदें और उस पर आप अपना स्टॉक मार्केट में एंट्री करें. यहाँ से स्टार्ट लें. With respect to primary market, we have another market, secondary market. Secondary market deals in the existing securities. The stock exchanges in the world, the stock markets in the world, they provide opportunity to buy the already existing securities, right? So company have already received funds. कंपनी का तलक इससे है, कंपनी को पैसा चाहिए, दे इशू न्यू सिक्योरिटीज इन प्राइमरी मार्केट. तो by issuing new securities, company get funds and fulfill her financial needs. But when the securities are issued, they become the part of the secondary market. फिर वो स्टॉक मार्केट में चले जाते हैं, एक्सचेंजेस का हिस्सा बन जाती हैं वो सिक्योरिटीज और वहाँ पे ट्रेड होती हैं. स्टॉक मार्केट में जो ट्रेडिंग होती है उससे कंपनी को कोई फंड नहीं मिलता, याद रखिए. Companies do not receive any kind of fund from the trading done in the various stock market in the exchanges, right? मसलन आप हबको पावर कंपनी का शेयर खरीदते हैं पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से, सो बाय बाइंग द शेयर्स ऑफ हबको पावर कंपनी, the funds will be transferred to another investor, not to the company. So there are key market participants. You as an individual can invest in the market. You can start from the IPO, and you can start from any amount and become the retail investor of the market. You can buy and sell the shares and the other securities. Then we have institutional investors where the investment is done in bulk. So there are brokers, there are investment management companies, there are asset management companies who, on the behalf of various investors, various pensioners, various mutual fund investors, various you can say the insurance policy holders, these companies invest funds in the financial markets, right? अगर आप में से कोई डायरेक्ट फाइनेंशियल मार्केट का हिस्सा नहीं बनना चाह रहा स्टॉक मार्केट का, सो ही कैन join these companies for investment. Then corporations, other than the financial institutions, there are private companies, there are other companies who are also interested in making investments. If a company have extra funds, company also use the funds for the sake of investment to generate a return. So if a company wants to expand herself, company can use equity and bond market to raise the funds. So they are the participant. Governments are the participants of the financial markets. Government borrow funds from the financial markets. Pakistani government and other governments, they borrow funds from the banking industry, and they also borrow funds by issuing various bonds. So government is one of the major participant of the financial market. This was done so far in yesterday class. Emerging trading environment, digital trading environments. So dear scholars, now the trading environment has been changed over the period from the traditional mechanism to more digital and automated mechanism around the globe. Emerging trading environments are next generation financial market systems. They allow investors to buy and sell financial market online in real time. So how in traditional system in past, like when if I remember my first investment in stock market back in I think 15 years ago. So I as an investor contacted a broker, and broker gave me a trading floor. He opened my trading account, and then after opening a trading account, he provided me a full-fledged the floor, but I conduct transactions with the help of the broker by using that trading floor. He conducted transactions on my behalf, and in this way, I buy and sell the shares. But now the scenario has been changed. Investors has an online platform, and these online platforms are run using the electronic exchanges where instant trade is happening around the globe. So wherever you are sitting, whether you are in class or in the stock exchange, whether you are at home or in university, you can conduct the trade whenever you want during the working hours, during the exchange hours. जब चाहें, जहाँ चाहें, जैसे चाहें आप ट्रांजैक्शंस कर सकते हैं. using the broker platform. पहले आपको ब्रोकर को कहना पड़ता था कि भाई ये ट्रांजैक्शन कर दें, ठीक है, with the passage of time. Now the exchanges have updated their system and also asked the brokers to update their system and provide platform in the form of electronic trading systems. You are like now you have fully trading systems in which you can use, buy and sell the shares and the bonds and other financial instruments using that electronic trading platform. वरना स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में पहले जो सिस्टम पाया जाता था, दैट वाज क्राई आउट सिस्टम. जैसे और जो ट्रेडिशनल मार्केट हैं, सब्जी मार्केट, फिश मार्केट एंड अदर मार्केट्स, वहाँ पे क्राई आउट सिस्टम चलता है. फजर के वक्त बोली लगती है और जो बाय करना है वो बल्क में आप बाय कर लेते हैं, जो सेल करना है वो सेल करते हैं, और उसके बाद फिर रिटेलिंग उसकी होती है. ठीक है. स्टॉक मार्केट में भी ऐसे था, राइट. इन्वेस्टर्स विजिट द स्टॉक मार्केट, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, और वहाँ जाके बोली लगाते थे. अब ऐसे नहीं है. विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम टेलीफोन आ गया. टेलीफोन पे ब्रोकर को कहते थे काइंडली बाय द शेयर्स ऑफ फलां कंपनी और सेल द शेयर्स ऑफ फलां कंपनी. उसके बाद कंप्यूटर आ गया. नाउ द कंप्यूटर असिस्टेड ट्रेडिंग वाज डन. ठीक है. सॉफ्टवेयर्स आना शुरू हो गए. नाउ द ट्रेडिंग वाज डन यूजिंग द सॉफ्टवेयर्स. ठीक है. उसके बाद फर्दर ऑटोमेशन होती गई इसमें, स्टॉक मार्केट की ट्रेडिंग में और बाकी जी ओवरऑल जितनी भी फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स हैं उनकी ट्रेडिंग में. There is an online trading platforms and mobile apps. Now we have various online trading platforms. Using that platform, you can conduct the transactions, buy and sell the shares. You have mobile apps. You have you can download the apps in your mobile, in your cell phone, and using these apps you can conduct the transactions. अब आपको बैंक में भी जाना नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है. Whatever the transaction you want to do with respect to the transfer of funds or receive of funds, you have mobile apps. ठीक है. इसी तरह से there are online trading platforms. Using those platforms you can conduct transactions at any place at any time you want. Hmm. Automated and algorithm trading. Now this is the updation. Now the automation have the floors, have the mechanism for the investors to trade at the price, at the volume, at the financial strategy, whatever they want. The system is fully automated, and by using the automated system, you can match your buying strategy with another selling strategy. मसलन आपने कुछ शेयर्स बाय करने हैं, तो बाय के लिए उधर कोई सेलर भी होना ज़रूरी है. Now the seller पता नहीं कहाँ बैठा हुआ है, sitting in Pakistan or in America. So the interest of the buyers must be matched with the interest of sellers. If both interests are matched with each others, only then transactions will be happen. Now the automation is installed in the trading systems where the interest of buyer and sellers are matched with each other, right? And this matching now has been revolutionized with the help of the algorithm trading, right? Further automation. AI tools are embedded in the automation of the trading platform. There are robotic systems who help you कि भाई आपने क्या बाय करना है, आपने क्या सेल करना है. They basically help you in not only making the strategy, investment strategy, but also matching your buy and sell interest. There is a system. Blockchain based trading systems. If you have experienced the cryptocurrency market, who have challenged the whole financial market in the world, so the blockchain based trading platforms are also available there, right? The trading is done in blocks. We will have separate lecture on blockchain technology, right? So crypto market is the latest market who is not only in automated algorithm trading systems but also blockchain based trading platforms where investors A is linked with the B, C, B is linked with other various pockets. So we have lot of wallets with the help of which we can trade the certain securities like cryptocurrencies. Global market accessibility and financial markets have been providing the accessibility of the market, not only for the Pakistani investors but also for the global investors. If you are sitting in Pakistan, you can also trade in the US stock market, in Japan stock market, in China stock market by fulfilling their investment eligibility criteria. Now the world is open for you. दुनिया ओपन है आपके लिए and this globalization provides you opportunity कि भाई पाकिस्तानी मार्केट जो है that starts from 9:30 and ends on 3:30. Now what will you do after 3:30? You contact another financial market, right? Starting from all regions, starting from the east, you can go to the west, you can go to the American market, Australian markets. Around 24 hours, markets are opens for you. You can use and invest and rather become an active investor within 24 hours and generate returns for 24 hours. So whole market is open for 24 hours globally. Advantages and challenges. Advantages are being digitalized. It has faster the trading. Trades are executed within milliseconds. Milliseconds, right? Within nanoseconds, trading जो है ना वो हो रही है. Global access. The market has opened the world by giving the access to all investors in the financial markets. Whoever wants to access any market is open. Lower transaction cost. Online platforms often charge lower brokerage fees. So brokerage fees has become very competitive. You just need to open the account, and then there are various brokerage members who are providing platform for the investments, and they charge fee. That fee is becoming down and down because of the online platform and competition. High transparency. Digital systems provide real-time market data and price transparency. So there is a real-time trading done on the financial market using the real-time data, and that real-time data is available for every investor for any kind of information and investment strategy. And in this way, price is also determined transparently using demand and supply because the data is real-time data. So the volume and the prices are basically shared, rather exchanged with each other using a real time, and there is a transparency. Mhm. Challenges in the financial market being digitalized. The biggest challenge in the world the financial markets are facing is the cyber security threats. Last year, a Korean hacker hacked the crypto market, and he transferred billions dollars cryptocurrency in his account. Cybersecurity is a challenge. Market volatility due to high frequency trading. Trading is very fast And fast trading has also challenged the investors by giving them the volatility in the market, because information floods in the market. जितनी information ज़्यादा आती है उतनी ही market volatile होती है. There is a regulatory challenges हैं जी. और कि अभी तक देखें क्रिप्टो मार्केट जो है वो रेगुलेट नहीं हुई. काइंडली अ ब्रेक फॉर 1 मिनट. अजान हो रही है. Okay, ji, welcome back. Let's complete our first module. We were at the edge of the module. So I was discussing the advantages and challenges. So cybersecurity is the biggest threat to the financial markets. Funds move from one place to another place. So there are hackers, there are like lot of fraudulent activities being happening not only in Pakistan but also in other countries as well. ठीक है, you send your savings, your money to another person और वो उस तक नहीं पहुंचती. Accounts are being hacked. And last year a stock exchange was hacked by the Korean hacker. So cyber security is the biggest challenge for which the financial markets regulators are trying to deal with them. Second challenge, market volatility. The ups and downs of the markets, ups and downs, right? If like since there is a high frequency of trading, buying and selling is being done in nanoseconds. So this high frequency of trading brings volatility in markets. As information floods इन द मार्केट्स, इंफॉर्मेशन की बेस पे तो ट्रेडिंग होनी है. तो इंफॉर्मेशन इतनी तेज़ी से फैल रही है, इंफॉर्मेशन इज बीइंग flooded in the markets. Investors are getting lot of information in on the social media platform. तो उन्होंने फिर फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट भी ही वैसी होती है. So it brings volatility in the market because they sometimes they become unable to decide anything what to do. तो market efficiency भी इससे affect होती है. There are regulatory challenges. How can the interest of stakeholders being protected by the financial market? So regulators in Pakistan and in the world, they are trying to regulate all financial markets. जैसे देखिए क्रिप्टो मार्केट जो है वो अभी तक रेगुलेट ही नहीं हुई. There is no regulation for the crypto market, right? No one in the world is regulating. अगर आपके साथ फ्रॉड हो जाता है, you can't do anything. हाँ, बैंक में अगर आपके साथ फ्रॉड होता है तो बैंक is a regulated market. So you can file an application, you can claim your funds. Risk of speculative bubbles in crypto markets. Not only in crypto market especially, but all the financial markets are facing this speculative bubbles. ठीक है. क्रिप्टो मार्केट जब नहीं भी आई थी तो 2008 में देयर वाज अ फाइनेंशियल बबल जिसने पूरी दुनिया को फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस की लपेट में ले लिया था, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द अमेरिका एंड spreading all over the world because of the financial bubbles. इन्वेस्टमेंट सॉरी इसको मार्केट्स को डीलर्स और इसके जो प्लेयर्स होते हैं मैनेज ऐसे करते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन को स्प्रेड ऐसे करते हैं जिससे मार्केट में बबल बनना शुरू हो जाता है. ठीक है. मार्केट में जान होती नहीं है, इकोनॉमी वीक होती है, लेकिन शो की जाती है कि यार इकोनॉमी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रांग. कंपनी अंदर से वीक हो चुकी होती है, लेकिन इन्वेस्टर्स को खबर जाती है कि नहीं, कंपनी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रांग, कंपनी इज़ मेकिंग प्रॉफिट, हालांकि अंदर से लॉस कर रही होती है. ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ था 2008 में, एंड विच erupted द फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस. Sorry. And dear scholars, this is the list of the top stock exchanges in the world, excluding Pakistan Stock Exchange, um, being the top. So if you see this table provides you the information regarding the various stock exchanges on the globe, their respective sizes. You can see the size of the market. New York Stock Exchange, only one stock exchange is is basically the worth of 31 to 44 trillion dollar, having 2100 approximately companies listed in their stock exchange. Nasdaq, another US market exchange, managing 30 to 42 trillion dollar market and having 4100 companies listed in that market. कितनी बड़ी बड़ी मार्केट हैं देखेंगे. The listed companies, approximate listed companies in that stock exchange. जापान में देखें 6 trillion market, 3900 companies. Then we have Indian market, European market, Hong Kong, Chinese market 4.5 trillions, Shenzhen market 4.5 trillion dollars, Canadian markets 3.5 trillions, Saudi exchange 2.6 trillion dollars, and look at your own market, Pakistan Stock Exchange, it's only 50 to 70 billion dollar market. It's in billion, right? We have only 560 companies approximately listed in our stock exchange. So this was just a food for thought for you. The market size of the different stock exchanges with respect to the market capitalization. Market capitalization याद रखिए is the value of the securities of that market. अगर ये स्टॉक मार्केट है तो शेयर्स की टोटल वैल्यू इतनी है जी. The last slide of this module is the list of the financial markets. Mm, we have money market, we have stock market in the form of IPOs, stock market in the form of the secondary bond, foreign exchange market, derivatives market, commodity market, cryptocurrency market, insurance and pension market. There must be the banking market and real estate market as well. So these are various markets. अब करना क्या है? You all need to make the groups, or every group will choose a market, right? You will choose one market. अपना एक ग्रुप बना लें, ग्रुप ऑफ 4 to 5 people, ठीक है, और अपनी एक मार्केट चूज कर लें। दो ग्रुप्स जो हैं एक मार्केट चूज ना करें। और दूसरा, यू विल मेक योर फ्यूचर असाइनमेंट्स बाय यूजिंग दीज मार्केट्स, यूजिंग पाकिस्तान इन ग्लोबल सिनेरियो। इसकी डिटेल आपको असाइनमेंट में मिल जाएगी इंशाल्लाह। दैट्स ऑल फॉर द मॉड्यूल 1। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, you are most welcome. No question?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
जनाब, मैं CMS ओपन कर रहा हूँ अटेंडेंस के लिए। जी जी बोलिए।
अच्छा अच्छा, अभी सर आपने एक स्लाइड में बात ये की थी, जो अगर कोई आपका बैंकिंग की तरफ से केस होता है तो उसको ये बैंकिंग कोर्ट वाले देखते हैं या कुछ कोई तौर पे देखते हैं?
It depends जनाब on the fraud being done with you। ठीक है, FIA वाले देखेंगे उसको। सबसे पहले यू विल सबमिट द एप्लीकेशन रिक्वेस्ट टू द कंसर्न बैंक। भाई ये फंड्स मैंने भेजे हैं, ये अगली पार्टी को नहीं मिले, वेयर इज़ द प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आ रहे हैं व्हेन यू यूज़ अ बैंकिंग चैनल विद द जैज़ कैश और द इजी पैसा एंड अदर नेटवर्क्स। ठीक है, तो
ओके।
इनके आपस में नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है बाज़ का। तो वो दोनों पार्टी से रिजॉल्व करवाना। उसके बाद अगर रिजॉल्व ना हो, ठीक है, वैसे तो हो जाता है, 90% चांसेस होते हैं यहीं पे हो जाए। हाँ, इसके अलावा बाज़ का फ्रॉड हो जाते हैं, आपका अकाउंट हैक हो गया है और हैकर ने आपके अकाउंट से पैसे निकाल लिए हैं। ठीक है,
जी जी।
देन रेगुलेटर विल इन्वॉल्व। ये जैसे ये फ़ोन कॉल पे पिछले दिनों रिकॉर्ड्स हो रहे थे, फ्रॉड्स हो रहे थे, अभी भी हुए हैं। ठीक है, सो
जी।
फोन कॉल पे फ्रॉड अगर हो गए हैं, ठीक है, किसी ने आपका अकाउंट, व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट हैक करके आपके किसी दोस्त से पैसे जो है ना वो फ्रॉडुलेंटली ले लिए हैं, तो यहाँ पे FIA इन्वॉल्व होगा, क्योंकि आपने बैंक
ओके।
की चैनल से उसको ट्रांसफ़र किए और वो हो गए। अब बैंक भी इन्वॉल्व हुआ, ठीक है, और बैंक से ज़्यादा फिर FIA विल बी इन्वॉल्व।
ओके।
तो इससे बचें। नेवर शेयर एनी पिन और एनी फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन टू एनी वन अननोन टू यू। किसी ने आपसे पैसे मांगे हैं, किसी दोस्त ने, तो वो दोस्त आपको पता होना चाहिए। जनाब, अटेंडेंस ऑफ दिस सेशन जी मैं अभी ओपन कर ली है। लेट्स हैव अटेंडेंस। जल्दी से जी अटेंडेंस बोल लीजिएगा। अटेंडेंस से पहले मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ किसी की अटेंडेंस रह जाए अपनी क्लास का स्क्रीनशॉट लेके अपने पास रखें। सर ये देखें, आई वाज प्रेजेंट इन क्लास, और बाद में ग्रुप में मैसेज कर दें प्रॉपरली। ठीक है, 8-10 इकट्ठे मैसेज नहीं कर रहे, ओनली वन मैसेज। अगर आपको 2-3 घंटे बाद रिस्पॉन्स ना आए, ठीक है, तो फिर एक रिमाइंडर मैसेज भेज दें प्लीज़, और अटेंडेंस लगवा लें। जैसे रात में नमाज इशा और तरावी पढ़ के आया था, तो 11 बजे के करीब मैंने